All right, so this is the most missed problem from today. We need to make sure that we understand this before we take our test tomorrow. You need to make sure that you recognize you've got midpoints. So U is a midpoint, which makes this one congruent to this guy. And this one is congruent to QT. And QS is congruent to SP, all because those are midpoints. Now, if you've got a mid-segment drawn, then it is half of the length of its side that it's parallel to. So QP is 2 of those segments, so this one has to be half of that, so that's going to be 1. So that one also, those are same. See, do you see the rhombus that's happening there? Actually, not even rhombus, it's parallelogram. So we've got ourselves a parallelogram that's happening right there because the opposite sides are congruent. Now, that does make that this triangle UTR is congruent to triangle PSU because of side-side-side patterns, which means that the 58 corresponds to the P58. The 62 corresponds over here to T62. We know that we have a 58 and a 62. They all three are supposed to add to 180, so that means that this one has to be 60. Corresponding 60. We just found out X is 60. We know that these three angles here form a line. So 60 and something and 58. Well, I already had the 60 and the 58, so that something must be 62. And again, that's because this mid-segment is parallel to the side that is opposite of it. And so 62 and 62 are alternate interior angles. So 62 degrees. And make sure that you are studying your practice problems and you're studying your notes, because that right there should have been an easier problem than it was for you guys. All right, I look forward to seeing what you guys do on the test.